So you can see here we have the chart already, but then the chart is all the values of the chart is manually typed in here, and we don't want this. We want the values from the table from here. So how can you do that? Let me uh, try to fix this chart or the script in order to make sure that it gets the numbers from here. Okay, so now I input the two columns in here, so column A and B, and then I will show the column in here as well. So you can see that actually I'm not quite sure if where this number from. Is it from my columns in here, or is it from A and B in here? So the best way to do it is just to delete the column A and B in here and then run the chart again, and then you can see that there will be errors because there is a references in fy in here and then value in here, and then we don't have it anymore. We just deleted it them, and then now if I want to get the column A and B in here, I just bind this table T1 with the data set. So when you run this one, it will use, instead of using the T1 we generated, or any T1, it's just use the data set, which is the two column in here, two columns in here. Okay, so A will be like this and B will like this. So this one will bind to the table T2 in here, and if you want to insert one more column, it is possible, but then it will insert more data into this part, the picture. But then it doesn't change the chart because the chart depends only on the column A and column B at the moment. So you can see here, you can drag more column in here. So actually there are more input for us to see, but then the chart still stays the same because it just use A and B. Okay, so that's how you change the existing chart into the chart with data from any table. So this one because the table it's generated by the DAX expression. So whenever you change the DAX expression, it also updates the chart as well. So let me show you. For example, this one. If you want to change this one back to uh, one given number, so I will say 234, and this one will be 345, and then see how it works. So when I click enter, it will give me the updated numbers, both on the chart and the table as well. You can see here. And then if if I get rid of step 4, so I only care about the first 3 steps. The step 4 is still here, but I don't want to return the step 4 anymore. You can see the step 4 disappear in the data, and then therefore you don't see the step 4 in the chart as well. So in here, if you want to remove the table in the middle, then you can just put the hashtag in front of the command, and then it will disappear. Okay, so this is how we draw the chart from the data the data table. And I will show you one more thing, which is to filter the data. So let me put the step 4 back to show you that actually at the moment the two charts are the same, in the sense that whenever you update the data, they will be they will update all the charts based on this data. So you can see here this table, this chart depends on this, and then this also depends on this table. Okay, now I will make the filter in here to make the difference between the two. So this one I will draw the whole data set, but this one I will get rid of FY22. So sorry, FY23. So in here I will check everybody except for FY23, and then you can see now FY23 is gone already, and then you only have this chart in this part. In here, you can also get rid, for example, if you don't want FY24, you can also get rid of 24 as well. So in here, if I uncheck the 24, sorry, I have to check all and then except for 24, and then it will change as well. So now you have the two different chart already because of the filter. So the underlying data is the same. So you can see here it's still bind to those two columns, but then because of the filter, you will have the different charts in this case. Uh, but then if you change something, with the common columns in those two, it also updates. So let me update this column and this column. So 1, 2, 3, I will update this value in the expression, and you will see the changes in both columns as well. So in here, I will update this one into 153. 153, and then you will see the changes in this part and then this part as well. Okay, there you go. So done already. So this means that you can bind those two chart into the table 2, and then eventually, because the table 2 is created from this DAX expression, and then um, it will depends on this number you key in. Whatever the number you key in, it will be the same. So same thing happen with the Excel file as well. So if you edit the Excel file and then you import the Excel file into the table in here, it will also change in the same way.